Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox a riding jacket which I have received from the Rida Gears. This is a Rida Tour Bind jacket. This is the first look of the jacket, and this is coming with the CE level 2 protection. So I have ordered it. This is the box which I have received along with the parcel from the Rida Gear itself. So without wasting any time, let us start the unboxing. So this is the parcel. Let us unbox it. So guys, this is the parcel. You can see the jacket inside. Let us get that parcel out of the box. So this is the jacket along the parcel. I believe it has come with the bag as well. Let us keep this box aside for a while. So this is a medium size jacket which I have ordered. So this is the first unboxing look of the jacket, and it has also coming along with the bag. This is the bag which I have received along with this jacket. So let us keep this aside for a while. So let me get into this jacket and get back to you soon. So this is how the jacket look like when you wear it. This jacket have chest protection, shoulder protection, elbow protection and back protection. The shoulder, elbow and the back protection is of a CE level 2 standard, whereas the chest protection is of a CE level 1 standard. So in this range of jacket, I only found this jacket is only providing me the chest protection along with the back and elbow and shoulder as a level 2 protection. Also this jacket has a mesh lining. You can see this part and this part is of mesh lining. So while riding you will not feel the heat as when you are riding in the humid conditions. Apart from that, it also has a velcro over the neck, so you can tighten up. It also have the velcro on the arms, so you can tighten up your arms as per your requirement. So only thing I found that only one arm tightening has been provided in this jacket. Apart from this, you can see there is a lining, so a winter and a rain liner are being inserted inside this jacket. You can see there is a zipper inside of you can see there is a zipper inside this jacket, so you can remove the lining, the winter liner for washing purpose. And the one thing I like about this jacket is this is the totally made in India jacket. And one thing I noticed that they have mentioned a tricolor, the Indian flag, Tiranga tricolor on the both arms. So that is one thing I like about this jacket. All in all, this is a good jacket. There is also a zipper here so that you can put something in the pocket, but I would not recommend anything to put into your jacket while you are riding. There is also velcro given at the wrist so that you can tighten up your wrist when you are wearing any clothes or something. Also there is a zipper so that it will help you while you remove the jacket from after your riding. So you can see at the back view of the jacket is like this. There is a logo on the back which might be a reflector thing, and also there is branding only at the chest, the left hand chest. Apart from that, there is no branding. There is also velcro, and the tightening belt has been given at the waist, or at the hip, at the waist, so you can tighten. There is also velcro and a belt has been provided so that you can just tighten up your jacket as per your requirement on the vest. So there is a chest protector, there is a shoulder protector, and there is an elbow protector and the back protector. So all in all, this jacket is protecting all the necessary things which I assume to be having in a jacket. So this was serving my purpose. So that's why I ordered this jacket. So this is how the rain liner looks like. The rain liner and the winter liner, they have stitched together, so they are reversible. You can wear it as per your requirement and as per the climate condition is. So this is how the fitting right now after removing the rain liner. Right now the jacket become more comfortable and little bit loose when you remove the rain liner. But yes, you can tighten up with the given velcro at your wrist also and at your arms also. But yes, it will feel little bit of loose for my size, that is of a medium size. And all the protection guards which is given in the jacket are removable. So there is a velcro inside inside pocket, and you just can remove the each protection guard from the respective pocket, and you just can wash it or maybe dry clean it. So these can be possible with this jacket. So this is it with guys. This is the short and simple unboxing video. If you want some more review for this jacket after the uses of few months, I will upload a separate video for the detailed review on how the experience over the period of riding along with this jacket. If you like my short and simple video, then please hit the like button and see you soon.